Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, coming back to you with another video. Not an unboxing video, but this is a live video to let you know where I've been. I know it's been about 30 days, 32 days since I dropped my last unboxing video. And I'm here to say why I took a sabbatical. Because I was in pain. Pain was the case that they gave me was pain. Not murder was the case, but pain. All right, now this is why I dropped my last video. For months, I've been having teeth problems. Now, I've dealt with cavities, but I had cavities on my wisdom teeth. One or two back there. I had all my teeth. Never got one ejected, evacuated, or taken out of my mouth before. So, started having pain. Went to the dentist. This is months before. Went to the dentist and said, hey, guess what, buddy? We're not going to fill those cavities. We're going to eject those wisdom teeth out your mouth. They should have been gone anyway, a long time ago. So we're going to have to pop them out. Now, understandably, I'm like, oh, okay, I wish you just fill them, but that's cool. So I deal with the pain. So when I dropped my last video, after that, I was in pain. I mean, pain, had to take some antibiotics to help with whatever infection. Pop some pills, go to work. So I was in pain. I was not doing good because it was affecting all this. Now, tooth pain, you know, I've had muscle strains. I've had broken leg, broken arms. You know, I've been down by accident and pulled a muscle trying to tie my shoes. You know, I've had surgery, you know, on other parts of the body. And, you know, when you're younger, you can just like, yes, I'm going to rock it off. I'm just going to go through it. You know, yeah, I'm good. I can get back up. No, not knocking my mouth hurts right now. Doing all this hurts, okay? So, as I made my last video, I had to go to a convocation, a convention, and, you know, I had to do some video camera work. So, took some pictures, you know, was part of the convention, did that thing. So, after the convention, you know, so I had to go down there and suffer through the pain. Had to suffer through that. So I'm popping pills. Now, I'm not popping nothing hard because I'll let you know why. But I ain't popping nothing hard. Just a lot of Advil, ibuprofen. I mean, I never get an ibuprofen. I never get it right. And acetaminophen peanut butter balls. Tylenol. So popping those. Got back. So as soon as I got back, 3 days later, I had to go to the oral surgery. Now, had to go to oral surgery, okay, because they pop it out. Now, mind you, I've never had any teeth, like I said, ejected, evacuated, rescued out of my mouth, okay? So, props to Woodview Oral Surgery. Now, I live in Maryland, and they have two locations, one in D.C., and the other one's in Maryland. So I went to the Maryland location. My wife set everything up. Props to my wife. Go in there. They tell me what they're going to do. So now we got all that done. Now we're here. So after coming back, I go to oral surgery. Now, what I should have done, this is what I should have done. What I should have done, I should have said, hey, put me to sleep. My daughter upstairs got her 4 wisdom teeth ejected, and she went to sleep. No, I said, you give me the gas, you know, give me the laughing gas. You know, you've seen all the thing when they were laughing. Oh, no, it doesn't feel like that, though. Doesn't feel like that. Let you know, doesn't feel like that. So I get in there, and doctor, I think her name was Concocwo. I'm going to mess her name up, so I'm sorry, doc. Very lovely dentist, doctor. Her staff was nice, very good people, very good people. Even called me a day or two after surgery, make sure everything was good. And they're very good, sweet people, very polite, they did well, okay? But the laughing gas, after they numb me up, shot my mouth up with, I guess it's Novocaine. Let me know if I'm wrong. I think it's Novocaine. Whatever they use to numb your mouth up, they numbed it up. And when I mean they numbed it up, now I've had I've gotten I had a couple of, cavities I have gotten filled, so I understand what numbing is, but this is beyond numbing. They shot me up. They shot me up like I was a drug addict or something. They shot me up. So I couldn't feel from here Literally from here on down, I couldn't feel nothing. Nothing. Nathan. Okay, so I couldn't even feel my lips. My lips were like, blah, blah. So they did all that. They put the laughing gas on. Laughing gas. I'm in my mind. I'm like, yeah. No, I don't like the way it made you feel. It didn't make me laugh. It made me act goofy, but it didn't make me laugh. It didn't make me laugh at all. So, you know, pop culture, you suck. But got through that. And you know what? Getting teeth pulled out your mouth doesn't sound pleasant, because I heard all the cracking, the bones crack. I heard everything going on. It's like it's a stereo, because it's all got through that. Now I'm drooling, getting out. I'm drooling because you can't feel nothing. Once everything thaw out, though, I wish that I get why they don't give you the hard stuff. Now, for me, I've had some hard stuff saved because of things like this. You know, we got about a little bit of oxy left. I kept far away, locked up, so I can use when it comes to emergency. So I broke the glass for that, because I'm telling you, the pain. Listen to me, the pain. You know, Snoop said murder was the, I think it was murder was the case. You know, the pain was the case that they gave me. Pain. I was in pain once everything thawed out. Oh, it hurt, guys. Hurt. Oh, it hurts. And then you can't eat nothing hard, okay? Because if, you know, you can't chew, you can't do all this stuff. And then, you know, all the nerves in your mouth, for some reason, make everything else in your head hurt. So pain hitting when I thawed out. Pain don't really set in until after the third day, when you really start healing, and the pain is intense. I was getting pain from here, the back of my neck, go from my ear, I got a headache. So I'm popping. Listen to me, ibuprofen and Tylenol don't work. When it comes to this type of pain, Tylenol don't work. Ibuprofen helps with the inflammation, so it does help with the pain. But there's got to be a law that when you get teeth taken out of your face, that they have to give you something stronger to help with sleep and just be able to rest, because them two over-the-counter stuff don't work. Listen to me, I'm in pain now, okay? I'm in pain right now. And it's not just, you can't talk for a long time. It feels like you have tight, I don't know what it's called, but I'm not gonna say lockjaw, but whatever it's called with your mouth, it hurts. So I'm not doing well right now at all. Now I'm kind of loaded up on pain meds right now, being early in the morning. I'm loaded up. I'm like, okay, I can get through maybe doing 2 videos. Just want to say thank you guys really for hanging in there with me. Sorry guys, had to cut in because I got a part 2. I went and visit my doctor because my wife, as we were sitting down, said, you know what, dear, the reason why you might be having so much pain is because you might have this thing called dry sockets. And what is dry sockets, you might ask? Dry sockets is when the healing doesn't heal right and it goes down to the bone, that it's like a layer. It looks like a blood clot, but it's not a blood clot. But, you know, it's like a scab. So the scab doesn't form right, and it hits the nerve in the bone, and you can have really bad pain. So I've been having really bad pain. So I went to the doctor. Doctor looked at it, and the doctor said, hey, it's healing right, but because he's, you know, I'm an old fart, basically, it's going to take a little longer for the jaw to heal. It could take up to almost a year for everything to mend like it's supposed to. But he said said that it's looking good, it's healing properly. I'm just going to be in pain. So the dentist wouldn't give me no good stuff. So he gave me some medium stuff so I can at least get some sleep at night. And when I'm not working, be able to pop one and be able to get through, take the edge off, and it's working. So hopefully I'll be back a couple of days doing some video. So thank y'all for still rocking with your boy, even though it's been about a month, but I'm sorry, haven't been feeling well, had other things to do. And now hopefully everything is done and I can get back to creating and showing you some of the stuff I got for Amazon Prime Day. All right, guys? All right, you have a good day. This is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another video, not an unboxing video, but another video. Thank you, y'all, for rocking with your boy. All right, you have a good day. Peace.